Open black lens bracket Mini HDMI to HDMI cable. Close black lens bracket UGREEN Mini HDMI male to HDMI female adapter converter easily converts Mini HDMI port on your laptop, camcorder, camera, or even some tablet to a standard HDMI Type A interface on TV, monitor, or projector. Compact and portable. Note: please make sure your device has a Mini HDMI port. Open black lens bracket max 4K 60Hz supported. Close black lens bracket. This Mini HDMI to HDMI adapter supports up to 4K UHD 3840x2160 60Hz and is backward compatible with full HD 1080p or 3D video to external HDTV display, monitor, or projector. Open black lens bracket Bi-Directional Transmission deliver high Q images. Close black lens bracket support audio return channel, ARC, HDMI Ethernet Channel, HEC, 32-channel audio, Dolby True audio. Bi-Directional Transmission features, supports Mini HDMI to HDMI HDMI to Mini HDMI. Open black lens bracket stable transmission durable. Close black lens bracket utilizing aluminum foil and tinned copper braided, UGREEN Mini HDMI adapter with double shielding transmits a stable and lossless signal between two devices. 24K golded plated connector and premium PVC material ensure you a longer lifespan for durability. Open black lens bracket wide compatibility. Close black lens bracket an ideal choice for Mini HDMI devices. Compatible with Raspberry Pi Zero, Pi Zero W, ThinkPad Yoga 12-inch laptop, NUC Barebones desktop PC, GeForce GT 430 graphics card, video card, camcorder, NVIDIA Shield K1 tablet, Pico projector, Sony HDR-XR 500, Nikon D3200, Nikon D810, DSLR, and more Canon cameras with Mini HDMI port. Enable you to enjoy high-definition video or image on HDTV monitor and display at home, office, and conference room. Top reviews from the United States. Thick high-quality adapter. Wire is very thick and sturdy. Works great in my Canon Rebel T3. Picture quality looks good and no issues after I plugged it in.